Abusha for, men down for 4. More to say, me chidi say nyamiato, mohoye. Me ding de sewa sewa. Na, me free Ghana, na me teaching kasapa. Menia chiseme homo. Most when ya chiseme hume.
Amen.
Mante, me say, menia chiseme homo. Na most when ya chiseme humeana. Me chidi se when ya chi. Me pese me chemo enyumbi. Hey, Emofra, ne to say, me chidi se nyamiado, mohoye. Sewa sewenye. Ene, ye baba bisiadie. Ye kona yenko siadie. Ene, ye baba bisia enyumbi. Sanyumwe, me chidi se unim senye kano perform dada. Sanyum ne ye 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. What are you saying it to Simon Way? My main show saying it to Lord Jesus.
Bakumienu miensa ena enu mi na monsio ensia enson watwe enkron edu na mitani mu adena wutani mu efise okami insa wonsa bena okaye minsa tia wo minifa Bakumienu miensa ena enu mi Ensia enson watwe enkron edu na mitani mu adena wutani mu efise okami insa wonsa bena okaye minsa tia wo minifa Bako mienu miensa enai enu Ensia, enson, watche, enkron, edu.
Ako, mienu, miensa, enai, enum, ensia, enso, watche, enkron, edu, yeka, bako, ekosi, edu. Mami shase over to me aya. Wait, yeah? Edu, yay! Why ya dear? Entino oka mensa. Weye mensa kitwa. Wena ye mensa. Oka mensa ensa. Ena ojanimu. Aden na ojanimu. Aden. Aden. Why? Aden. Kase. Aden. Yay! Why are dear? Enti ene yesia baako ekosi edu. Why are dear? Minim se ubetimi aka baako akosi edu. Miyi enam ewo nsuo. Nsuo no aka mensa. Ow! Aka mensa. Mensa tia. Aka mensa. Why are dear? Aden na oka wensa. Aden ena ujainu efri se oka mensa. Why are dear? We ena yesiano ene. Why are dio? Many ajo. Ene we learned how to count 1 to 10. Bako ekosi edu. Miyi enam ewonsion. I took a fish from the water and I let it go. Bimane koye. Adena umane koye. Why did you let it go? If we said okamensa because it bit my finger. Yes, where's your idea? Bako mienu miensa enai enum miyi enam wensium. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger. Yay! So, eso suon, we didn't get it. Wow, I can't want to boss here. Want to boss here. Guys, Mama, you're out. I can't. Yeah, I think we should go this way. I can't. Sorry, Uncle. That's a jellyfish. Whoa. Ethel. Hey, where did the jellyfish go? That's right. Is it even real?
Yeah.
Mama, what are you funny say? There be anyone I was here for. I was here for her say, bruh. And yes, I remember see aquarium na. Wow. Afra. Yep, where your penguins? Hey, man, Yanko, let Yanko. Sam, Risa, me pacho. Wait, so. Yanko. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Shit. Nife. Why is aeroplane? You're trying to say?
Stingray.
And then Stingray.
Stingray.
Hey. Wow. Hi, babies. Oh, no, I'm not going to lose you. I was going to come back and get you guys. Where are they? Shorelines.
That's starfish on the lawn.
Oh, wow.
What's that?
Wow. So colorful. What are these? Sanctuaries for nature and people. Wow. So is this really underwater or what?
Yeah, underwater. Yeah.
So this is really
water.
underwater.
Yeah.
So the building is in water? The building is in water?
Oh, I don't know. Mama starfish. Just a box of water. Mama,
yes.
Mama reformed starfish.
Wow. F-fuel, Papa.
Let me do this. What's that you wear? Not surf.
Yeah, do someone still feel. And glass. Oh, wow. You want to stand by it? I can't go to that home. Sam, go to that home. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Look, I got a picture of him, but I can't get it without the light. That's a good picture.
Oh my God, it's so huge. Yeah. Achichudia kesiye pao.
What's a stingray? Mommy, blowing fish.
Wow, this thing is deep.
Deep.
Very deep.
And that's where they go and jump down.
Yep. Mati. Oh, wow.
Yeah, so this is from a chemistry.
Sapa, oh, crabby, what I say?
It's a sea turtle shell, yeah.
A real one?
We didn't take it from a turtle. This one was a turtle that got really sick in our hospital. But so we were able to save the shell after the turtle. Most of our turtles that come to our hospital, we're able to get them healthy again and send them back out into the ocean.
Was that a small turtle?
This one was a really small turtle,
It
yeah.
was a baby one?
Not a baby, it was probably about maybe 3 or 4 years old. So like a little bit.
So touch the turtle back. Touch it.
It's so soft.
It's smooth, right?
It's soft but sad. That big turtle.
Do you want to guess how old that big turtle is?
I know. 100. No,
165.
10.
Wow, these are all good guesses.
110.
All really good guesses. She's somewhere between 75 and 95 years old. So she's almost 100. She's pretty old.
Wow.
Wow.
We
That
don't
is.
know for sure. We don't know how old she is.
Do you guys go in to feed them?
They do, yeah. So I think the next dive will be.
They're gonna dive in there?
They have divers. That
What
go in
time?
twice a day. They might have another dive team go in around 3 o'clock, I believe.
Oh, I won't be here.
But 1:30 they'll have a talk. I don't know if divers will go in at the same time as that
Okay.
1:30 presentation, but we'll see. Yeah, that's our third turn.
Oh, wow. What, Richard? Retread. That's the name. Oh, wow.
That's a big turtle.
So will that be that same turtle that you see downstairs?
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
So why are they?
It came up. It came up.
Wow.
Do we go to the next
So cool. So the glass we see down there all end up here.
Yes.
Got it. So this is man-made?
It is, yeah. This
Wow.
Mommy, let's go see the. Let's go see the.
Neba. That turtles are not used to the glass. They go all the way and then they hit their heads on the glass.
Yeah, some of them, they do get a little bit too close.
1, 2, 3. And nothing more. You know, look here. You don't know.
Oh, yeah, they.
The Michael Jackson movie. I'm gonna do a movie.
Yeah, that makes sense. Abba, yeah, let's go, guys.
That edge if she decides
Oh,
to
I
go
can't,
back.
enough, I can't get. Oh, so, Trinity, no. You know, tell me a tinted about.
I
Wow.
think that's a Cheeto, though.
I can't see.
Look like a Cheeto.
Okay. She also knows
Hey, stop
that,
on your way.
she's in a touching zone. So like
Oh.
as long as you can reach past her edge, you can lower down to give her a good touch.
Oh,
That's the other side.
yeah.
Keep your hands very still in the water, even if there's nothing nearby.
Do you see him? I'm sure he left with some other people.
Make sure your hands this black spots on her back.
Be gentle with the water. If you can't be gentle, keep your hands out. You're touching it? Oh. It does, right?
So respectful of her tail. She's not the most graceful with it, though it is very sensitive for her. So thank you all for making sure that you're avoiding it, even if she's trying to run into you.
Okay, come back. Come here. Come here. Just wait, take your time. Wow. Okay, when you're doing. Okay, when you're doing. Okay, okay, for a second.
Still, then if any of our animals come up to the wall or glass,
Okay, keep your hands still. So now standing in them boko. Oh yes, I'm on chain. Don't you mean chain? Ooh. Okay, for a second. What's it? Wow. For a second. Whoa.
make sure you can reach. She's a little too far to touch right now. I don't think you can reach
Yeah,
this one.
oxygen. So I thought forever.
It's very sensitive and uncomfortable if anyone touches it. Just be mindful. Yeah, it's very sensitive for her. She's likely to not come back if you touch it down. My friend, we're gonna leave that shirt alone.
Okay, I can't just say leave it alone.
As a reminder for anyone that's just coming up here, this is our leopard pintail rig. Make sure you can reach past her edges if you're trying to touch.
Past the edges. Did you guys see the sharks? You're not ready? Oh, no, they. What's it? I almost a shark show. I'm a shark show. Also, almost didn't play it here. Why do you always have to come to where I am? Go to other places. Go to other places. There's so many spots. Keep your hands still.
I think Pro might be shy. Can I sing you? No. But I can?
Touch the center.
Until she comes up. If you reach or dive out after her, she's just going to swim further away from you. She knows how close to get if you would like a
Callie, there's a big one.
very
Yeah, there's a big one. Daddy, Callie, there's one.
As a reminder, before you
Kelly, come on. I want to look. Kelly, it's coming to you. Kelly, it's coming.
Kelly, come. Come. I can't manage it. Touch it. Second.
That one feels soft, and that one feels soft.
Oh, wow. Do they do that a lot?
The masquerades do, which is this piece.
Why do they do that?
She might be trying to get her eyes above the water to see what's going on. She also might just be having fun.
They will slap it.
Right off the ground. They might slow down a little bit since Since they get a little distracted, they're going to eat their food, get a little bit full, get tired while they're digesting. So keep that in mind while you're waiting for them. If you want to touch them while you're here, just make sure you leave your hand in the water. Keep it really still and flat. Let them get close to the front of the tank and just gently touch them right in the middle of their bags. Make sure only touch the animals on the middle of their bags. Keep our hand in the water, and stay really nice and still. Before touching them on the middle of their bags. They will calm down a little bit probably since they're going to be eating their food for the time being. But do you have any questions? No, we can't feed them. We'll leave it very sound like feeding them. They have to get fed back in the tank. I just have to be able to make clear for them. That's the best way to drive them to the front. Instead of to come up if they want to. So there's some things to keep in mind. If you have any questions,
Oba. Como é que for? You're ready for four. Oh, how almost I am. I can't go wrong, I am. I'm just sure. I can't. That will roll on sack. Wait for your turn. Train and Drew also.
So you mix them up. It can make you smell like stingray.
Wait for your turn, honeys. Sack on there. That will roll on sack. Okay, you done? Wait, let her. Oh, sorry. Let her finish. Samano. Sa you sama put film samano. Sa put you sama put what time you. Let you samano. You sama put film what time. Let you. What be Johnson? Come on, Yanko. 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 I can't not Yanko. Yanko, say. Sakwe. I'm back. Ooh. Shark. Bonsu. 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 Hey, then I know. Let me see that and sing.
This is real shark.
Ooh. Coolie. Coolie, 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 coolie. Ooh. Ooh. Look at your fence. Oh, do you see a shark? Oh, do you think it's a shark? It's a shark there also. Bonsus. Wow. Wow. So then, no. I'm feeling. So when I want to car, make sure they. Wow.
Mama, baby sharks no more fight too.
I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm what food? I'm dear Gokeke. Oh, you know what's your own. When we are Diane. Ah, when you saw big number, I'm so cool of you.
Madam,
I am now.
I'm open the tank.
I'm Bia. John China here. I'm wow.
I'm gonna read this one. Batman.
Why? What? The funny Batman. Tuntuno. Oh, I know you are doing funny Batman. That's not good. Spider-Man is away.
Big girl.
Wait, Kakakana Spider-Man. You know, it's
she's the mother and the
mommy way.
A bigger one.
Oh wow.
In a way, Papa.
Papa, and I'm a chill on. You know, mommy way. I'm so mommy. Mommy. And I'm mommy is in here. Mama Bonsu. Mama Bonsu. Mama Bonsu. Batman in here. Mama Bonsu. Papa Bonsu. Papa Bonsu. Papa Bonsu. Papa Bonsu. Niaba Bonsu. Niaba Bonsu. Niaba. I can't be a. Take a. And should not what kind of waffle was that? Hey, me buying kind. Also, waffle. And I'm watching. About war. Who much away? It is so powerful.
I like the pink.
We're going to see some.
That one's right there. That one's right there. Go.
Okay, we're not doing Sakano, no. They were. Okay, wait a minute.
I'm hungry. Oh my
Come
god.
on to your
Who could eat fish no?
Oh, somebody fish? Yeah, they. Oh, Johnny, oh, Tumrika. Oh, call baby. I'm away.
Long one.
Tin. Hey, you ball.
And then Papa no.
The papa don't know. Oh, papa, bonsu. Wow, what you here? Wow. Hey, radio super. Sabe, che. Radio super. I almost saw a walk. Me boy, wait. Hey, almost. I mean, you can see it. What's it? Shouldn't the tunnel? So many tunnel. I can take it to you. There, I see. Wait, what's that? You? Oh, there, I. We very no. Hombre. Why is it coming down? Come down. Only so the case, come down. You case, come down. You know how could the end? Why? Case allowed to tree? What's the tree? What's the tree? Front in the tree. What about the trail? You should say what you are saying in tree, baby girl. You have to say, Papa, and trail. To catch you, baby. Why, dear? And can I also say, try me back.
Are you going away?
Wait, where did you see what that?
Me, Manu.
Well, when you saw my mom change.
Mom, wait, this is his mouth. This is his mouth.
No.
Look at his mouth.
Che, wait, I can't be che. I can't. Bra. So where you no? Where you hunam? Where you the top?
What's this?
Where you the taba or the two coin? Where you the knee?
This is the regular kit.
Where kitty. Me boy. Kitty. You know, the hand is so.
Hey!
Yeah, here so.
Wait!
Hey, wait, what? Where's so soon?
I'm waiting soon.
I can't Sabra has say. That's all tin.
It's underneath here.
Case I show there.
52.
You show there. Ah! What do you 54? Sir.
Mine is 52.
All right.
It's in here.
Sir, no, you're funny say. Push. Why does it say no entry? I can't be saying. What's your wonder? I can't. Best saying. I can't remember your mom. I mean to me to kind. What best saying? I can't quay. I ain't kind. Yo, bruh. I can't even. We have Paco, Lelu, Elsa, and I, and Luke and Sia. Yay, Sia. No, trying to hustle. Odi day, Adriani. Oh wow. Lehu. Okay, check out what you do.
As you said, you do Aquarium. We are in Manka.
Come on, Demi. The brain and glint now. Wow. Bye. Me now for. Many are just said and then we'll be seeing dear. Hey, me, sewa. See you later. A tray, Yevishia. Bye.